Hello everyone! Today I wanted to have a look at this skirt. This is a pretty simple skirt with a shaped waistband. The skirt is very simple. There are no decorative details but the waistband. Today I want to show you what to do in order for the waistband not to fold this way. I will show you how to attach corset bones to a waistband. First, we need to mark where to attach the corset bones. The first one will be here, right above the dart. The second one will be attached right above the second dart. These two corset bones will be enough for the front part. We will attach two more corset bones a bit behind the side seams and two more above the back darts. I'm not going to draw the marks on the other side of the skirt. Now we can let the customer go. I will show you how to attach corset bones to the waistband. Svetlana will help me today. First, we need to remove the tacking from the waistband. It was tacked to the skirt for a fitting. When we do it, we'll mark where to attach the corset bones. When we detach the waistband, I'll show you how it looks like now. I can move the skirt aside. Have a look at the waistband. It's doubled with interfacing, steamed, ironed and shaped. The waistband would have been ready if we didn't need to insert the corset bones in it. First, we need to mark where to attach them. You can see the 3 marks here, and we need to trace them to the wrong side. After that, we will have to draw them on the other half of the waistband too. When we draw all the marks, we'll continue working. Very nice. We drew all the 6 marks. Next, we need to measure them and write the numbers down. This part is on the right side, and this on the wrong side. I need to measure 3 marks, the front, the side and the back ones. You know what? I think that we need to mark the seams in order for the measurements to be accurate. The back one is 6 centimeters long. The side one 6.3 centimeters long. And the front one 7.5 centimeters long. I think that it's 7 and 3. Don't make corset bones longer than needed. It's very hard to alter them. This is the corset bone we are going to use. Cut the details 5 mm shorter than needed. This is the back one, 5.5 centimeters long. Let's cut one more at once. These are the back corset bones. Next, we need to cut the side ones, 5.8 centimeters long. And the front ones, 6.8 centimeters long. Next, we need to strike a match to melt the ends of the corset bones. We need to do it in order for the edges not to be sharp. The waistband is ready, the corset bones are ready. We also need a 5 cm wide cambric stripe. Let's go to the sewing machine. We'll show you how to carve the corset bones with cambric and how to attach them to the waistband. Have a look here. This stripe folded in half is a bit longer than the corset bone. Fold a piece of fabric in half and stitch it somewhere in the middle. Then stitch it once again a bit further. The distance between the two seams should be about 1 centimeter. It should be enough for you to insert the corset bone in it. Don't pay attention to the fact that the piece of fabric is wider than needed. We'll just cut the extra pieces later. Don't use a piece of fabric of precise width. Next, we need to put the corset bone inside. Do it this way. When you put it inside, make sure that the end is right in the fold. You should have at least 7 extra millimeters on the other side to stitch the opening. We have even more than needed here. We'll just cut the extra piece later. Svetlana will do it with all the corset bones. We will attach the corset bones to just one side of the waistband. This will be enough for you to learn the technique. We'll attach them to the second side of the camera. This is how the corset bones look like now. They are kind of hidden inside the cambric details. The 3 corset bones are ready. Next, we'll show you how to attach them to the skirt. Have a look here. Find the mark and put the detail on it. Make sure that the fold is right in the center of the waistband. Now we can stitch the detail to the waistband. Try to stitch right in the seam or very close to it. That's it. There are 2 seams on the wrong side. Here they are. Notice that there is nothing on the right side. Next, Svetlana will cut the extra pieces of fabric. Leave about 5 millimeters on each side. Make the bottom even to the waistband edge. Have a look at what we've done once again. 2 seams on the wrong side. Nothing on the right side. Do not forget to cut all the extra pieces of fabrics and threads. Svetlana will attach 2 more corset bones now. We'll attach them to the other side of the waistband of the camera. Now you know that it's not hard to attach corset bones to a waistband. You just need to know how to do it. When you attach all the corset bones, make sure that you cut all the extra pieces of threads and fabric. Don't try to cut stripes of fabric of precise length and width. Just cut the extra pieces when you attach them. Don't waste time. It's also easier to work with bigger pieces of fabric. This is the right side of the waistband. And this is the wrong side. This is how the corset bones were attached to the waistband. When we stitch the waistband to the skirt, the corset bones won't move. I'm glad that I've decided to show you this technique. Skirts with such waistbands look amazing. Have a look at what I'm doing. You won't be able to fold the waistband even if you want to. We haven't attached corset bones here yet. This is how this side of the waistband looks like now. Don't be lazy. Try making such amazing shaped waistbands. They do not only look good, but they also make you look slimmer. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We are Irina and Svetlana. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.